everything from building bikes to manufacturing parts to machine shop jobs to you name it. My name is David Freston, also known as Chopper Dave. I'm in beautiful Hawaiian Gardens, California. Kind of the past couple of years dealing with a whole lot of burnout. It's been nice to get back to actually wrenching on parts, wrenching on bikes more than I had been for a while, you know, so I'm doing an FXR for a buddy of mine right now, and it's neat to be back doing that again. We got the vapor blasting it's basically a glass beading in water. The water with the glass bead in it hits the surface and rolls along the top of it, and it creates a much less porous surface. So it's an amazing looking surface, and it holds up better, and it looks like, you know, like the FXR I'm doing. I mean, the entire drivetrain is going to be all vapor plastics. You know, it's that kid that didn't know anything that went to MMI and then went to work for Jesse in '01. It was chaos at the time because it was all the TV shit and there was people watching at the gate. Skyrocketed all my machining skills and just putting a bike together skills. Because putting a bike together at that level, it's totally different than just building your random chopper, you know, in your garage. Well, I'm Chopper Dave. I'm running Chopper Dave's casting company and SoCal Vapor Hone. It's easiest probably to get a hold of me on Instagram. You know, as crazy as that is to say, that's how it's done these days. Yeah, absolutely. No, thank you.